Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to mute yourself in Apex Legends so your teammates won't hear you. First, launch Apex Legends and go to Settings. Then once you're in Settings, click on Audio tab, and here under Voice Chat, we can change a few settings. What you have to do first is make sure that the voice chat record mode is in push to talk or toggle mic. If you're on open mic, your teammates will hear you speaking even though you haven't pressed any button. If you have push to talk, you can press the button that you have assigned for push to talk and then speak so that your teammates will hear you. If you don't press it and talk, your teammates won't hear you. You can also mute yourself quickly in-game by pressing escape to open the menu and click on mute self. Once muted, your teammates won't hear anything from you, but you can still hear them if voice chat is on. And that's it. That is how you mute yourself in Apex Legends.